Hi, I'm Mason Rosenbaum, a third-year student here at SHSU-COM. I'm from Brenham, Texas. So my dad's actually been a paramedic in Brenham, and so I grew up around medicine, and it kind of drove me to really want to do medicine. And then I started doing EMS, and that kind of solidified that this is what I wanted to do with my life. We were able to get hands-on clinical experience pretty quickly. By the end of our first year, we're able to get into the sim hospital. The simulation events allow us to get a real-world experience in a simulated and safe environment under the guidance of our professors here. So when we get out into the real world, we've had tons of experience and cases and how to manage them. The simulation events here at SHSU-COM allow its students to get many hours practicing and training, and helps us when we get out into the real world, we're going to be able to excel. What sets us apart is our professors really allow us to lead in the simulation events here. They're there as mentorship, support, and guidance, but they really let the students get all the hands-on experience in decision making. When I graduate, I want to go into emergency medicine. With my background in EMS and my dad being a paramedic, emergency medicine has always been my dream.